Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up a video using CapCut. Whether you wanted to create a time lapse or just make your video more dynamic. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the CapCut app on your phone. Okay, so once you are on CapCut, select the video that you wanted to speed up from your gallery. And once your video is imported, tap on the video timeline at the bottom to reveal the editing options. Okay, so now you will see a speed option. You have to simply tap on it. You have to simply tap on normal. Okay, so now move the slider to the right to speed up your video. You can increase the speed up to 100x. As you adjust the speed, you will see the duration of your video change accordingly. Tap on the check mark to apply the changes. Preview your video to make sure it looks the way you want. If everything looks good, tap on the export icon at the top right corner to save your speed up video. And that's it. You have successfully speed up your video using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.